Hello everybody, today you're on channel Alex Baranov IT, and today I'm going to show you how you can host your Python script or any other script basically that you programmed in a special file, for example .py or .js or .ts, and which you can host on the Google Cloud Platform servers on the hosting on the virtual machine, so it will be running and working consistently and constantly without any errors. So it will be part one of the video. I also will upload the second part, which will be like the pro version of this hosting way, like a way to host your Python script. So this will be like a way for beginners, so it might have it will be like easier for everybody to understand what you're doing. So first to start, you need to go to your Google to your browser and type in Google Cloud Platform. Choose the first link and go to Cloud Console. And here you will need to create an account and set up a billing address. So for example, you link your credit card, but don't worry, because here you can see that you have $300 of free trial that it's like too much for everybody. So it will be definitely enough for you. So you just link your credit card and you'll get $300 for free trial, which you can easily use for any paid services on Google Cloud. So after you logged into your account and signed with your billing address, you will go right here and will press the button create new project. And then in create a new project, basically you just name it, for example my project 1, and just create it, and that's how it's done. Here you can see. But as I already created, I will choose, for example, the Stockbot project. Here you can see my project, and you're gonna choose it. I'm gonna choose the other one, but this matters only for API. So then you'll go right here and to API and services and enabled API and services, and here you're gonna search for computer engine right here. Computer engine, choose it, and here you're gonna go right to the computer engine section, and here you can see I have lots of other instances, as you can see, but you're gonna press create new instance. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do that. Create new instance like this, then you are going to name it somehow, for example video instance, let's say like this, so it will have a name. And region, for example, you can choose any, but I will choose, for example, Asia East Taiwan, because it's like the cheapest one. Oh yeah, and has to be lowercase. Okay, so let's say video instance like this. Great, and here you're gonna choose E2, low cost day-to-day computing, and here you're gonna choose the micro one. So you're gonna have $8 per month only, which is like, if you divide 300 by 8, it's gonna be like lots of, like about 2 years of free trial, of free use. So don't worry about that. And here you're gonna choose, you can leave it default, and here you're gonna allow HTTPS and HTTP traffic. And that's pretty much it. You're just gonna press create right here, and that's how you're gonna create a new instance. So the next thing you're gonna do after creating a new instance, as you can see here, I got it right here, and I can, after it will load, I will be able to see it like totally. So let's see. So after we'll get the video instance, we'll need some other things that will be available right here, such as SSH key and external IP to use further in the thing. So first I'll go to video instance right here. You just choose it straight away, and here you can see all the information you need for it basically. Well, you also have OS info, as I suppose, yeah. Well, yeah, that's how it is. So the next thing you're gonna do is, first of all, you need to go and, well, yeah, basically that's it. Then the next thing you need to do is go to your terminal window. All of us have terminal window right here. If you have any anything here, you're gonna press count deactivate, and that's it, just in the basic thing. And next what you're gonna do is you need to host it somehow, and I'm gonna show you how exactly. So first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to go and to transfer our file. So for example, my file is located in downloads directory, as you can see, yeah, well, I can show you, but okay, so yeah, you have it, I have it. And the next thing I need to do is basically to transfer this file from my directory to the virtual machine instance that I just created. So the next thing I need to do is write scp with the further thing coming as 1 second. So it's gonna be scp, then I use my, oh wait, actually, first of all, I need to show you how you do this with the, oh yeah, first you need to generate the key, yes. Okay, so first of all, you need to generate an SSH key. You do it right here in the terminal window as well. So for example, as I suppose, it should be, 1 second, so yes, so it's gonna be SSH-kgen like this, then you press T, and then RSA, and then -B, then 2048, then -F, then the where is it? Okay, interesting. So then you go this thing, /.ssh/ like any name for your key, for example, video key, because I'm doing a video just like this. And MP, like, you just press enter for passphrase, you don't need it. And here we got the key. Next you need to type cat, then this thing /.ssh/ video key.pub for public. It says no such file or directory. Interesting. I think I chose, yeah, correct. That's interesting. I think I wrote it correctly. So SSH keygen TRSA. Yeah, okay. And what about it? So yeah, cat. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, it should be correct. Oh yeah, because I wrote S. Okay, gotcha. Because I wrote SAH, not the other way around. Yeah, okay, I got it. So now I paste it, and I write SSH just like this, and here I got it. So I copy this entire key from SSH till the very end, and I go back to the local thing right here, and I will need to go to the metadata in compute engine, to metadata and SSH keys, and then edit, and then add item, and I'll paste my SSH key right here and press save. Good. So after that, you go back to your terminal window, and you need to transfer your file. So for example, for me, it is located in the download section, in the download directory. So I type scp-i, then this thing /.ssh/ video key, the name of your key. Then you type the downloads. I have the downloads directory. You type your directory, for example, it can be desktop or something like this. So desktop, then I have my file, which is gonna be main3.py. Yep, just like this. Yes, that's how it is. And then I type my username, which is Branka, as you can see right here, your username. It can be usually it's the thing that comes before your in your email address. Then you type @ and then you go back to your window and you go to VM instances, to the chose instance, to video instance, to our instance, virtual machine instance. And here you choose you need to go here to network interfaces in details and copy the external IP address right here. Good. And you paste it right here. Make sure it doesn't have any, actually, yeah, it doesn't have any spaces. Like this, straight away. And then you type the location where it's gonna land. So for example, for me it's gonna be home, and for you it's gonna be home as well. And then your username, for example, Branka as my username states. Downloads, interesting. What is it supposed to mean though? Interesting. Okay, 1 second. I just gotta copy. This thing. Downloads. I suppose. Well, yeah, it's supposed to work. Oh yeah, I got it because I didn't paste slash at the beginning. So it should be this thing, and then it should be slash like this. So now it's supposed to be running. Good. Yes, you press yes, you say yes. And when it shows that you see this thing and some percentages thing, it means that it was successful. So now you need to log into your virtual machine instance, into your session. So SSH-I, then this thing /.ssh/ and your key name, so video key, and then my username, and then again your external IP, so which is here is gonna be this 8, like this. That's it. Now we log into our session in order to run our basically our file. Interesting. No name, no server provided or not known. Interesting. 1 second, I got it. So SSH-I, then yes.ssh/ video key Branka. Yes, good. Okay, probably I think I need to modify. Oh yeah, I got it because I didn't paste at right here. So if I paste an at right here, just like this, and it will be successful. Let's see. Yeah, you need to have at right here. Exactly. You see, when it turns green, it means it was successful. Great, absolutely great. So now we say, and it is almost done. Don't be so upset because it's too hard. Yeah, I thought so too at the first time, but now when you are gonna do it step by step, you're gonna learn how to do this, and next time it's gonna be easier. So you write sudo apt update this way, then you run sudo apt install, and then Python 3 virtual environment, like this. So you install the Python, you say Y stands for yes. Great, it will download all the Python packages, like the Python package. Then you say Python 3 -m venv, for example, video env stands for video environment, and venv is for virtual environment. You create new environment. So for example, this is a command. This means make, and this means virtual environment. What to make? Not directory, not a file, but virtual environment. And here's the name for your virtual environment, so you can change it anything. You have to type this exactly as it is, but choose the different name. And last but not least is you need to log into your instance. So you say source video env /bin, oh my god, bin /activate, that way. Great. So here you can see we logged into our virtual environment. Next, we need to install all the packages we need. So for example, I need to install Telebot library, as well as OpenAI library, just like this. You see it downloads all the packages needed and installs them right here. And last but not least, we need to come back. So come from our session back. So we say deactivate, just like this. And last but not least, you say no hub Python 3, and then main3, the name of your file, main3.py, and this symbol, just like this. And even when you see this message, it means it was successful. So after, I can even close. As you can see, I'm closing and terminating, so to speak, terminating the session, but I am actually not terminating them. I actually just stop it in terms of doing that. And here you can see the bot that I just ran, the program I just ran, and let's test it. So let's press start. Great. So we got the we got the response, which means that it's supposed to be working. Okay. Why does it says ChatGPT? So it's supposed to be working. So it's supposed to be running, which means that our VM instances hosting was successful. So last but not least, let's test it. So hey, it's basically our ChatGPT bot. Great. I am Alex. Let's just say something for it to remember. Great. And let's ask what's my name, just to see if it has the history of the knowledge base, the database. Great. My name is Alex. Great. Which is absolutely great. And last but not least, let's test it for ChatGPT, which is my favorite. /1 write a short essay about red pandas. My favorite inquiry. And let's see what's going on. I'll also make a tutorial how to create this kind of bot, but I think I did it already, but it's kind of different thing. As you can see, it has a special knowledge base that remembers what was my name, etc., which is kind of useful, as you might understand why. Here you can see title, The Enchanting World of Red Pandas. Red panda. Great. So we got the name. Bye. And then thank you. Oh my god, what's with my typing? Thank you for your help. Just let's appreciate the ChatGPT. Great. You're welcome, Alex. Don't hesitate to return if you have more questions. Goodbye. Okay, well, basically that's how it is. That's how we create. This is the first way how you can host your programming script, like Python script or any other script, on Google Cloud Platform on special virtual machine instance, so it will work consistently for example, for commercial use or for your own use. So you want your program to be working like 24/7, like all the time, so you can use it anytime you want, not just the way you need it, not just the time you need it. So that's how it is. That was another way. I will also post the next video. It's gonna be about the second way for professionals, how you can host it, which I discovered lately. So yeah, if you really found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more, because I have lots of interesting tutorials on my YouTube channel, which you can check out. And last but not least, I want also inform you about my Telegram channel, Alex IT, where I post my various videos about IT. Here you can see all the things. Well, yeah, that's how it is. And also, if you have any other inquiries for creating sort of a program for commercial use or for anything else, you can send me a message in Telegram. I'll leave my link to my chat in the description. I will leave my contact in the description. So thank you for watching. I hope it was very useful for you and you found something new. Found out something new. Don't be so stressful because it was kind of hard. Yes, it is, but it's the first time. Next time is going to be much more easier. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.